Let's close our eyes, come to our breath. Drop into our body. Anchor yourself to the earth. Spine is tall, chest is slightly raised. Shoulders are down and back. Chin is level. Eyes are either closed or just slightly open with a soft gaze. Come to your breath, breathing long and deep through the nostrils on both the inhale and the exhale. Bring your right hand to the level of your shoulder and in gyan mudra, left hand right at the heart center. Eyes are closed or slightly open with a soft gaze. And slowly inhale at your own pace, all through the nostrils. At the top of your inhale, suspend the breath. Keep the throat relaxed. Suspend the breath. There might be just a slight constriction at the base of the throat, and keep it suspended for as long as you can. Without needing to explosively exhale. And when you know that you're ready, slowly exhale through the nostrils. All the way down, exhaling out completely as you can, and then suspend the breath at the bottom for as long as you can. Without having to grasp for air. And then inhale. All the way to the top, suspend the breath again and keep it going. You might want to count 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000 with each segment of the breath. So that you know how you're doing from day to day. Make sure that you are breathing, taking the breath, both the inhale and the exhale through the nostrils. Make sure that the breath is coming down on the inhale past the diaphragm. And then make sure that you're expanding with the inhale and your spine is lengthening with each exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last time, inhale. Exhale. Bring the arms down, shake out the legs. And then come back into easy pose. Observe, feel the sensations, the shifts in energy throughout the body. As we end this practice for the day, anchor yourself to the earth. Bring your hands to the heart center. Focus at the heart center. And from the heart center, move your focus to your navel center, your personal power. And then down through to the earth, anchoring yourself to the earth. And let's inhale for one long Sat Nam. Begin. Sat Nam. Peace to all, love to all, light to all.